In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix can't send messages or replies on X app. Let's get started. Sometimes the app itself is broken globally. If replies DMs are not sending for everyone, wait it out. Try logging in on the browser x.com. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. Likewise, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Also, toggle on for the option airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds, then disable it. This will refresh your network. Next up, force close the app, then relaunch it. With these, your problem might be fixed. If not, check for app update. Launch App Store or Play Store. Search for the app X. Once app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, completely delete X app from your device. For that, press and hold on it. Select the option Remove App, click on Delete App and confirm it. Now navigate to the App Store, search for the app X and download it. Following these steps, you will be able to send messages or replies on X app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.